Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lemmel. Got a stock here, TEM Tempus AI. Pretty good chart, actually really good cycle action on the pullbacks, and this one was brought to me by my trading partner Daryl Thompson, and I'm liking the price action, so I wanted to post this, get a video out on it, and hopefully we'll get some breakout here on the cycle trend line soon. In the meantime, we'll be back in a minute and break down these cycles. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bitcoinatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, looking at the market rating right now, we're still A+. Actually, we were A- yesterday, popped up above the 10 MA on the index, and so we're back to A5. We're an A+ market, looking pretty good. We should get solid continuation soon based on the price action on the index. Good strong market right now, and it's definitely giving a lift to a lot of good tech stocks. So let's get back to break down TEM. Okay, breaking down the cup cycles, you can see the overall trend the last year, even though we had a lot of chop was the getting higher lows in the consolidation zones, which is bringing in the cycle base price squeeze. You got your first price squeeze over here. You didn't have it right here. TM or the TD9 cycle low violated the TM1 cycle, so no price squeeze yet. But despite that, really nice pop off of that 150% to set the TM3 cycle. So once you get the TM3 cycle, it's a 5 to 7 month cycle. If you copy the trend line across the lows, you get a perfect entry on a TM3 SCV. It's a south channel violation. And it was also confirmed by the TM1 squeezing price into the lows of that channel. You can see right here that solid action right there, finding support in that $40 area. A little spike up, a few days pull back, then back up. So basically got a 3-wave pop and then a pullback retest of support. You got the trough breakout around 46.38. I don't think we're going to dip that low, but you never know. Now over here, it's a possibility. We get a solid set on a TD6 or a TM1 cycle. Right now we're at a TD6 cycle, so it could very well pull inside to the bottom of that. That would bring it down to the $50 psychological price point. I didn't mark up the PPP zones, but here's one right here at the lows of the cup around the $30 area. This one dipped almost down to the $35 PPP, and this one right here broke out of the $50 PPP and is holding above the 50 so far with some area in the consolidation. But we may, if we get a south channel violation of that, we may be right back down real close to the $50 mark. But the overall price squeezing in the handle has got the elevated lows on the pullback. So you got the TD9 lows holding above the TM1. So far you got the TM2 cycle holding above the TD9 CAT2 on the internal cycle. So if this area holds right here, this should be off to the races. You get a real strong BMI on the left hand side of that, so very possibly we could print similar breakout on the right hand side. But we'll break down some price targets when we get back. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bitcoinatradingclub.club/lingo. Okay, looking at some cycle-based price targets based on the breakout off the floor. Assuming this TD9 cycle low holds, the north channel of that is around the $90 mark. That would be a 50% gain from where it's at right now. If you hit the TD9X close to 120, that would be close to 100% gain. If you hit the TD9-2X, close to 145 or so, that would be about 150% gain. And if you hit the TM9-3X, be close to 200% gain. So as far as the BMI in the cup projections, it's got a 2 BMI cup basically. Now if you extrapolate from the cup highs in that $100 area, 100 times 2, 200 plus 100, potential $300 target if this thing can get ahead of steam. But again, it's got to have the fundamentals to support that. But from a technical perspective, it definitely has a juice there. So keep a close eye on it. Again, the potential target out of the PBC zone, about 95. Let's just say it sets a PBC zone in a $100 area. 2 BMI out of the PBC zone would be, again, close to $300. So whether this has the right stuff or not just depends on how we get the price action quality over here in the cup. So if we get out here in the TM-5 zone, that might give it a lot more time to really rest after that big cup over here, a couple 100% cup. So TM-5 would be basically early next year. But right now, if we get it move a lot quicker than that, could possibly flame out quicker, but not before it hits some pretty good hefty targets on that potentially. So we'll keep a close eye on it. Again, it's TEM Tempus AI Inc. If you're interested in our trading style and want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtrading.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.